I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're trying to track your payments on SoFi, follow these simple steps to view your payment history. Step 1. Open the SoFi app. Launch the SoFi app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your payment details. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, go to the main dashboard. This is where you can see an overview of your accounts and transactions. Step 3. Select your loan account. Find and select the specific loan account for which you want to view the payment history. This will take you to the account details page. Step 4. Access payment history. Look for the option labeled Payment History or Transactions. This section will show you all your past payments, including dates and amounts. Step 5. Review details. Click on any payment entry to see more details, such as payment method and status. If you notice a discrepancy, check the date and amount carefully. Now you can easily keep track of your payments on SoFi. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out for help.